and welcome to Not So Nerdy, where the four of us, Vedangi, Sneha, Niveta, and Rucha, spill thoughts, stories, and everything in between. I think today's episode is going to be.
Yeah, I think we have seen all of us talk about for a couple of episodes on various topics, and I'm pretty sure everybody's wondering who are we, what are we doing. So हमने सोचा let's give a twist to understanding who we are exactly, and we're gonna have fun questions round, I guess.
Ooh, yay, I think I'll begin with it.
Go for it.
I want to ask Sneha what her highlight of her academic journey was or is.
Okay, so academic journey has been very full of ups and downs if you look from the school ka start. So academic journey ka highlight has to be somewhere in my BDS undergraduation. So there were small moments when I learned how to trust myself as a doctor per se. So it doesn't come very easy when you look at it because apart from the very high syllabus and all of these things we have, there are small छोटे छोटे nuances हैं जो हमें समझने में it takes a little time for us. I think one of the academic highlight will be the first extraction that I ever did.
Oh wow.
My faculty, my HOD showed a lot of trust in me when I didn't have that trust in me. And she was like, "तू मैं खड़ी हूँ, तू कर. कुछ भी होगा तो we'll handle."
Nice.
So I think that was one of the biggest highlights
Shout
of my
out to good
career.
teachers.
Yes, shout out to good
always.
teachers, of course.
I think that's about it.
Nice. I think my other question will be कि जब ऐसे तू बाहर जाती है outings, are you a simple person spontaneously or do you like to plan it कि ऐसा ही होना चाहिए?
So अब अरे इसमें ना दो अलग अलग व्यूज हो जाते हैं. When the trip is getting planned generally, then I'm generally the planner कि हाँ ये आइटनरी होगी, यहाँ से यहाँ जाना है, यहाँ स्टे करना है. But then once the trip starts, I know everything does not go according to the plan. तो ठीक है, I don't ऐसे keep it very tight कि यही करना है अभी. तो ठीक है, अभी नहीं हो पा रहा तो it's okay, we'll plan something else. So I think both पर अलग अलग times trip के time पर.
Yeah, that's a good
Nice.
balance.
That's a good
Yeah,
blend.
कि है but नहीं भी है.
हाँ, so
वरना ट्रिप में प्रेशर आ जाता है कि वो इसके बाद ये करना है.
एंड जनरली जिस ग्रुप के साथ में जाते हो उसमें दोनों टाइप के लोग होते हैं कि जिसको एक सब घूमना है और जिसको कुछ भी नहीं घूमना है कि अरे भाई ट्रिप पे आए हो चिल करो. ऐसे दोनों टाइप के लोग होते हैं मेरे साथ.
Here also, chill करो.
Chill से याद आया. Nivi, my next question is to you. कि what is your ideal Sunday?
Wow.
What does perfect Sunday to you looks like?
Getting up late, having my coffee, obviously.
And then spending time with my friends. Obviously, one of them is here. And having good food and lots of sleep. पूरे week की sleep आज के दिन पूरी होगी.
Wow, I think Sundays are meant to be for sleeping. After an age, it does not become about outing anymore. ना ऐसे कि
It's just
सोना
about
है
sleeping.
मुझे.
Sunday अरे घूमने नहीं जाना, मुझे सोना है पहले.
I'm also very Saturday घूमने वाला person. Don't you think Saturday घूम
Yeah.
के Sunday मजे
Sunday
करना
पूरा
is better?
सोना.
Nice.
Yeah,
Love it.
sounds like a plan.
Yeah.
Yes. Also hostel में रहते तो फिर कपड़े धोना is a literal.
Sunday को नहीं धोती थी.
Sunday को ही धोती हूँ.
तो वो और सोना is the ideal plan. Okay, nice.
Nice.
Love it. I have another question for you if I go.
Yeah.
I think my another question is maybe like for our audience and also for us, I think it's very interesting to know कि what are the 3 words that just describe you without any context? Just 3 words.
Warmth.
Okay.
My humor, which you guys really love.
Yes, we do.
Love and dread,
And-
but okay.
Softness.
Yeah.
Nice.
Nice.
Yeah.
I think very apt.
Very apt.
If
Nice.
I were to give her 3 words.
Those were the words. I would also add sunlight in it, but yeah, I think warmth and softness sort of
Yeah.
covers it.
Nice.
That's pretty cool. Nice.
So yeah.
Now I'll ask some questions. Veda, what's that one book that describes you?
Oh wow, book.
Yes.
That's a lot of things for that. But I think I'll go just genre-wise, one fiction, non-fiction. I think non-fiction में तो me Brené Brown. There's a book called Braving the Wilderness, and I feel like at some point every one of us has this Bible. At some point, you all also will get it. It can be a YouTube video or somebody talking about something. For me, that book is Bible for me. It talks just about belongingness, and a lot of Brené's work is on belongingness and emotions like shame and how to get rid of it. So I think a very short book but extremely helpful for people who are trying to find their space in this very chaotic world. So that's one. And I think fiction I think though it's very hard to choose, but I think one book that melts my heart and breaks it all the time is A Fault in Our Stars. I cannot let go of it. एक तो वो मेरी teenage dream भी है because I read that book when I was in early teens. तो तब तो बहुत अलग लगती थी ये सारी emotions. And I think it's one of the best written heartbreaking love stories. So yeah, I think I would go for those two reads anytime.
Nice. Good answer.
ऑल्सो लाइक ये क्वेश्चन के एक कंटिन्यूएशन है कि व्हाट्स दैट वन बुक दैट यू विल गो बैक टू एवरी टाइम लाइक एनी टाइम
Yeah, I think go back to any time. There are a couple of ones, but mainly I think Robin Sharma's books are quite pretty like that. In fact, most of my people who I read, Fault का मैं बता सकती हूँ कि Fault में भी there are certain elements of the story जब तुम I think that all books are like that. When you read a book today, it gives you something. 2-3 years later you reread it, it gives you something else more. एंड ये बहुत लेट समझा एक्चुअली मुझे. अर्लियर इट यूज्ड टू बी लाइक अ टास्क लिस्ट कि ये खत्म किया फिर वो खत्म किया, एंड नाउ आई एम लाइक कि नहीं यार, आई कैन गो बैक टू सम ऑफ माय कंफर्ट बुक्स. या सो आई थिंक एवरी बुक यू कैन कम बैक टू ऑल द टाइम एंड गिव इट अ री रीड. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि टास्क लिस्ट करो. आई यूज्ड टू डू दैट गाइस. सो एवरीबडी हु हैज अ टू बी रेड लिस्ट, I think it's fun to go back to your books again and again and reread them. Yeah.
Okay, I'll ask Rucha then. Yeah. So my question will be, so what is the favorite thing you like to spend your day with? Like the best favorite thing?
I think it's pretty obvious for me. It's either painting or drawing or अभी तो वो कम हो गया है, but I think now it's Canva. Canva पे कुछ edit करते बैठो.
Nice.
मतलब मैं वो कहीं पे post नहीं करूँगी, कुछ नहीं, but it's just for myself.
Nice. So now you know why our videos look so nice all the time. I think.
I think it's our editor. Shout out to our editor. But उसका मैं कुछ इतना करती नहीं हूँ. But yeah, thumbnails are by me. So.
Yes. And so are all our Instagram
Yeah,
posts. So please
Instagram
go
is
visit our
handled
page.
by me.
Yeah.
So what is the last best chill day you had?
Oh wow. I think मेरा आंसर बहुत सिमिलर होगा नीवी से कि सोई पूरा दिन सोई. I had yesterday only ना कि छुट्टी थी. So I woke up आराम से, but इतना भी नहीं क्योंकि मेस बंद हो जाता है तो वो उठना पड़ा. फिर आके फिर से सो गई. फिर दोपहर में थोड़ा एडिटिंग किया, वही थंबनेल वगैरह, एंड देन शाम को स्पेंड टाइम विथ यू ऑल, हैड फन, वेंट डाउन फॉर अ वॉक, हैड डिनर, went to attend the fest, came back, dinner साथ में किया, chill किया, सो गए.
Chill days are also now more accustomed to all of us with respect to the schedule we have. अगर किसी दिन lectures नहीं हुए, someday we get an invitation for some other institute's fest, तो हमारा chill day का हो जाता है. That's pretty nice. I think now is quite a good time to talk about what are we doing on Not So
Yes,
Nerdy,
it's
right?
important to
Like,
tell them
just,
why
why
this
did we
podcast.
started it? Richa, you want to take this up?
To make it short, बाथरूम आइडिया था गाइस. बहुत ऐसा कुछ हुआ नहीं एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी कि ओ चलो कुछ करते हैं, मतलब वैसा हुआ, बट बाथरूम आइडिया बेसिकली. बट
They were
fairly
good.
answer your question. I would say कि हमारा सेमेस्टर एंड हो चुका था. We were beginning with the new semester और obviously lectures नहीं थे ज़्यादा. We had a lot of time. और most of the time हम लोग वही reels scroll करते रह जाते थे या फ़ोन पे टाइम पास वही सब. So I think that's where, and I watched some reel कि are you really using your potential to the fullest, and I think that's where it clicked कि maybe we should start. And फिर वही था कि ऐसे मुझे लग रहा था कि हमारे जो थॉट्स है वो हम लोग चारों में भी बहुत अलग अलग चीज़ें हम बहुत अलग वे में सोचते हैं.
Right.
So that's where it came to me कि maybe we can start something of our own, and then I came to my friends who agreed. I want to know your answers actually कि तुम लोग ने कैसे हाँ बोल दिया इतने जल्दी.
मेरा एक्चुअली बहुत ही सिंपल था. वन इज बिकॉज I realized that something productive needs to come out. I think it's my thing where I need every day to bring out something. मेरा थोड़ा to do list वाली version हूँ मैं इसलिए. तो I was very excited because one is I think a lot of our time goes in internet consumption. And I feel like this is one way where all of us are really starting to give out something to the internet, right? And I think that's a good feeling to go back to. I think that was pretty simple, yeah. Just wanted to put out something.
Actually very similar. मेरे को भी यही था कि साइड में कुछ करते कुछ मजा आएगा, कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा. एंड एट द सेम टाइम एक्सपोजर टू सोशल मीडिया फॉर मी हैज नॉट बीन टू मच. आई एम नॉट अ पर्सन हु मेक्स वीडियोस बहुत ज्यादा. तो आई थॉट ठीक है, इट विल बी फन, व्हाई नॉट.
मेरे लिए लाइक इतने लाइक MBA करने से पहले आई वॉज सो मच लाइक घर पे रहना एंड लिटिल बोरिंग आई फेल्ट. तो फिर जब मैं MBA करने आई तो फिर माई फर्स्ट थॉट वॉज कुछ तो अलग करना है. ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट सेम इज नॉट इजी, इट्स केओटिक, हमें समझता नहीं है इट अलाइन कैसे करना है सब. बट जैसे रुचा ने आके आइडिया बताई आई वॉज लाइक यस दिस इज द टाइम टू गेट आउट ऑफ माई कम्फर्ट जोन बिकॉज आई एम नॉट अ सोशल पर्सन और सोशल मीडिया इतना एक्सपोजर नहीं है. तो फिर आई थॉट कि कुछ तो अलग करते. ऑल्सो आई लव टू हैव गुड टॉक्स विद देम बिकॉज एवरीवन हैज अ डिफरेंट वे ऑफ थिंकिंग एंड आई लव टू लर्न. तो फिर इनकी बातें सुनना इन अ फन वे इज great. सीखने मिलता है.
That's true, and I want to add something to it. I think one of the things was also the fact that when we were discussing this, I remember, is that मैं बहुत पढ़ चुकी हूँ. Me and Sneha are like these geek people who talk about certain references जो तुम दोनों को बताते वक्त बहुत मजा आता है. And then I think that is something that I realized कि okay, we have something, बहुत पढ़ रहे हैं. When a lot of information comes to you, you get a little bit confused also. And internet has been doing that for us, right? कि बहुत information आ रही है. We have podcasts who are just putting out either self-help information or technical information. And I think I thought just the four of us are that kind of a blend, right? हमारी internal conversations जब होते थे, we were a balance कि हम कुछ ज़्यादा informative बोल दे तो one of you will be like guys थोड़ा chill करते हैं. तो I thought yeah, I think that's good.
I think that's what this podcast is all about, right? The name itself is Not So Nerdy for a reason, that we have two nerds and then we have two not so nerds. So it's a good blend कि creativity and knowledge comes in together and we are trying to build a community where you can also share your thoughts on different things.
For sure, yeah.
Yeah, and I think the whole point of this is कि कुछ नहीं होके start करना. Like we don't have a mic, we don't have fancy setup. We are literally shooting on our phone with our headphones. So it's literally zero budget. Like,
Yeah, actually that's what makes us stand out also. Because we are not totally getting into gossip per se, but ठीक है, थोड़ा information, थोड़ी मस्ती, just like how we are in our rooms.
I think it was time to publicly share our thoughts.
No, but I think this is for every girl out there and other folks also who are staying out of their own states for work, for studying. And I understand that all of us have stories to share and most of us don't get that space. So I think we wanted to make it honest and raw. And as she said, like zero budget, right? We want to acknowledge the fact that सबके पास all the time ज़्यादा पैसे होते हैं invest करने के लिए. So yeah, I think
it's
that's
a sign for you. Even if you have little bit कुछ भी
Yeah.
ऐसा होगा कि तुमको करना है, I think just do it.
just do it. Yeah.
दिल की
जो
सुन लो,
भी है.
अच्छा लगता है. I never thought कि I would do this someday, but
But we are doing it.
it's great.
Nice. All right, I think that was fun. We wanted to keep this short, but I think upcoming time pe we want all of our viewers to please go and follow us on Instagram. We have a Not So Nerdy page where you get highlights, you get fun, interesting snippets of what's coming your way in the next month. We also have the YouTube channel, like you can see us on. So please follow and subscribe there. Follow and subscribe, right? Sorry, new to this. So yes, please subscribe to the channel. Please give us comments, feedback. We're in the very niche segment, so if you're watching our videos, we would love to know what you want to hear from us. And yeah,
We have some great episodes lined up for the next month. We have, I think we are doing something on horror stories, something fun, and then we have an interesting segment coming up for Women's Day. We have something how the world will look if women ran it for a day.
Nice. That's interesting.
And then since we are a couple of students who are doing MBA in a very niche segment, so we will be bringing up healthcare as well. We will be talking about how healthcare in India is changing these days. And then we have some other episodes planned, which will be released quite soon.
right. So we'll be putting out an episode every week. So please keep an eye for it. Again, please tell us what you want to hear from us on each episode. We are eager to look out for you.
So let's
Wrap it up then?
Yeah.
Okay. We'll see you next time then.
Bye.